And they're on their way. Seamaster draws for your lead. Moving up, Angel Dugo. On the outside is Gundam Chariot of Fire. In between runners is Sambat. Running by the rail is Manila's Gem. Then moving up, Best Kept Secret. Meadow Lad followed by Special Edition. So Gorgeous second last. And trailing the group is Blue Chic. As they round the 3/4 mile pole, Seamaster in command by about 3 lengths. Angel Dugo is in second, down in third is entry number 7, Chariot of Fire. Running alongside Gundam, Sambat comes next, Best Kept Secret. Running on the outside, Meadow Lad, Manila's Gem is Special Edition. So Gorgeous remains second last, and Blue Chic is still running at the tail of the field. About above towards the last 600. Now we have Angel Dugo takes the lead by 3/4 of a length lead. Running by the rail, Chariot of Fire. Gundam is on the outside third. Seamaster now running in fourth. Moving up on the outside, Best Kept Secret. Sambat running by the rail, Manila's Gem. Then comes Meadow Lad as they turn for home. Angel Dugo leading the field, running at the center. Running now in second by the rail is Seamaster, who's fighting back once again. Sambat moving up together with Gundam. With the last 100 meters more to run, Angel Dugo by about 2 lengths over Sambat. And finally, Angel Dugo, Sambat, Gundam, then comes Best Kept Secret, Meadow Lad for your Pentapecta, then comes Seamaster, his Special Edition Chariot of Fire, So Gorgeous, Blue Chic, and Manila's Gem.